Hi guys. It's been a month and I disappeared for a month. Anyways, this will be my first uni vlog that I will publish and I will edit. It's very exciting because I've never told any of you guys about how my university life's going, and it's also more exciting because today is also the first day of rehearsals for theater, so it's so exciting. I'm excited to juggle everything again. We're gonna be back. Also, it's currently 1:30 a.m. and for the past month that I disappeared, I've actually gone nocturnal. And it's my fault for not fixing my sleeping schedule days before this. Anyways, I will be doing some of my works. I'm gonna try to skim through it, and hopefully I get to sleep before 3 a.m. I will see you in a few hours and I will update you if I'm dead or alive. I'm done packing and I think I overpacked. Look at that, there's so many. It's so hot. Why is it so hot? I'm kind of nervous about later because it's usually so hot in that venue, and I hope it's very
Kung tsaka ano ayo. Wala na yung iba. Tsaka mo sila mali.
Ay, di ko siya.
People who want.
Yeah.
Ayo.
Mamaya na ako mag-aayos ng mukha.
Gather mo na akong
Di ba? Ang ganda na siya. Tulog-tulog pa siya.
Wala nang ano?
Class will start soon. Wow! Nakita ako sa bag. Uy, ang init. You guys see this? Mr. DIY. I will bookmark this. I will buy this. Thermal? Wow. Straw? Yung laman? Yung laman inaakay. Kaya pala mainit. Okay.
Attendance will be checked every day. We're going to do script writing for television at saka script writing for radio. Okay? May radio booth tayo, mag-record tayo ng video. Okay, matawa. Ay, actually, okay lang.
Festive po.
Anyway, yung
Pagtuyo. Sunbig light?
Something light. Ganun lang kasi yan, nag-make the video of it. Walang ano dito, walang talent dito. Wala na siya. Tapos na. Wala kasi makapigil ng meeting.
Hi! Si Melo. We are with Melo. Kita kaya tayo dito? Tignan natin.
May ginawa ka dati lang.
Nakababa pa lang gano'n. Yan, pag tayo hindi pa kita dyan, ewan ko rin. Gana, eat, lunch. Ito na nakalala niyo ako na.
Okay, go.
Hi po, ate! Ligaya from Hakuling LU. Ilang isa ko ba ang kakainin o giliw ko? Sagtin mo lang ako, aking sintay, walang humpay na ligaya at asahang ibigin ka. Kukunin ang voice. Hi, bye-bye! Oy, akala ko ba magbablog ka? Hi dear, kamusta ang araw mo? Di ko yan isa-sensor, di naman child-friendly tong ano ko. Bye-bye po! Love my mother.
Bakit mag-reality show ka?
Alam ko, gusto ko nga siya i-try eh. Pero,
ngayong season na. Season 3.
kulang ako na ang daming camera kailangan.
Step nila after ito kasi,
Ay, nawala na yung sinusundan na. Nasa ano na pala kami? SM. Yeah. Nagsayat ka. Excited na ako sana. Hindi pa kulay yung buhok.
Nakakaramdam ba? Hairspray, baby show. Baby show yan. Tapos ako ulo. Kung ano magiging story ng show. Yung sa like kasi hindi ko napanood yan. Though yung ganon.
Boom! Pina-backstab daw nila. This is a new milestone because it's the first time that I got to eat wings without rice. It's the first time I got to eat a meal without rice. It's a rice really, I'm proud of it.
Pina-backstab ka lang.
Sinabi namin
Sa'yo, man.
Yo, manigas ka! I miss Decathlon. Doon ka sa likod ni Jess.
Ako pa nag-install mo.
Ano yan? Ay, akala ko lang sa bibig.
Ano yan, dead pa? Doon ko na-realize. Pang basketball yung sapatos ko.
Sheesh, basketballista.
Ang taas ng ano. Ito. Ay, kay Melay pala.
Sasama ko yung preview. Dito kasi.
Sponsor yun. Kasi ako din.
Tubig, sige.
Parang ang sarap ko din. Sige.
Bookmark. Meron na dito!
Taylor Olympus dito. Nakita ko na pa. Sorry.
Ganyan kasi nararamdaman ng tiyan niya ngayon. Ano?
Hindi talaga nasasaktan.
Medyo na.
Habang nagsasalita siya, bigla umagat. Nagkapasa siya.
Tinawanan sa hito. Going home to the place where I belong. Salamat po. Hi, so I'm walking now to commute. Today is school day. We'll be taking up like our first subject, which goes from 1 to 7:30 p.m. My voice yesterday after rehearsals, it was so hoarse and it was so tired. And I'm glad I had enough rest to replenish it. The course that I'm gonna take this afternoon, it's about voice and diction, so it's more on using our voices. And I'm just thinking how how I'll be able to get through this semester with juggling theater and that. I just hope I won't lose my voice by the end of this sem. Today's weather is so nice. Even though it's so hot, it's so windy, so it's good. Okay, let's go Goju Dogs. Ay, Goju Dogs. Ay, patay na ako. No. Patay ako. Meron pa dalawa. Yung mga gamit na. Okay lang ito. Ay, naliligo na. Tinalak ka. Ay, naliligo. Feeling ko siya magiging pag-asa ng bayan. Dahil sa kanya magkikita tayo. Nakita ko na ako. Sige, no, gagalaw. Kung gagalaw dito. Kukuha lang. Ayun, nakita na kita. Okay. Dito kayo nakatira. Dito kami namatay. Look what Marky gave me. It's from Thailand. Cutting ko for my tita set. Ang ganda ng sulat mo. Mr. Jamie. Kanina nagre-reklamo ako sobrang lamig sa library. Hindi na ako magre-reklamo. Init. It's already 5. Init. Nag-out na kami sa library. So sad. 7-Eleven naman. Sana may upuan.
Paano mo na-meet na? Sobrang dami ng students kaya ang init pa rin kahit ang wow, onigiri.
Nasunog yung wrapper.
Hello. I don't know.
The motherfucker just said, womp womp.
Cheesy pepperoni.
I was like, look at my girl.
Nine, kasi parang para-para sa last.
I was like, what do you mean womp womp? It's like, womp womp. I was
Bye-bye. I missed you. I love you. I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna rest. Hi. It's Matt. Hi. So I just got home and now I'm gonna eat my muffin dinner. I got some parcels that I want to unbox. Yeah. What's with me? I got packages. And I opened them. I remember now, it's a book. Oh, they gave me a bookmark. Okay, you can't see it. They gave me a bookmark. It's so nice. Thank you, Pao. Thank you for buying this. Now we have a book to read. After I read Single on Purpose by John Kim, I've been looking for other self-help books. It's nice that I found this. I actually found this because I was watching to a vodcast in YouTube and they talked about this book and I was like, that is so nice. I need that book. I didn't know I bought it. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna rest. We're gonna rest up. We're gonna do our gym things and then I'm gonna sleep. Because I'm still sleep deprived. If you can't see from my eye bags, I'm still sleep deprived. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Baby naman ako. Anong tawag dun? Record breaker ba yun? Basta lagi ako on time. Literal na 1 p.m. Magdadasal na. May nagbabalik! Okay lang ako. Tayo-tayo ang lalamunan ko sa exercise na yun. Hi, Kay! Hi! Kamusta ka? Hi, Chanel! Hindi ka pa pagod? Hi, Chanel!
mas energetic na.
Okay, sige.
May ano lang, surprise gift.
Ay!
Basa ka ba? Sabihin ko rin ako sa'yo. Wow.
Lola!
Akala ko ako dahil nabasa sa mga sana.
Tapos na ang rehearsal for the day. At tayo at ngayon ay magsa 7-Eleven tayo. Because Mapaingat!
Katagal. Holy shoot! Ako magiging basher mo mamaya. Itong video na to, basher na ako. Double camera ko din.
Pauwi na kami. Doppelganger daw siya. Sarap. Kagaling lang namin. Mr. Donald. Ay! Blur pala, blur pala. So I'm on the way home and I forgot to film again. It's been so long. YouTuber, hello! They're cute.